What is up, my stylish people? This is a different video. Within a couple of days, I will be going to Dubai. So I'm packing my toiletry bag. I thought why not to show it to you guys, but I'm not recommending any of the products shown in this video. Means in case if you like, you can feel free to. All the links will be there in the description below. This video, why I wanted to do. In general, it is one of the toughest thing to do, right? What to pack and what not to pack. Sometimes I tend to forget something, and when I go to that particular place, the item which I forgot will not be available. That's the worst part. So you need to be organized in order to make sure that you carry whatever the essentials you want to carry. And let us get started with the toiletry bag first, because the video is about this one, and this one I got from Amazon. It's a very budget friendly version, but it is very durable and a high quality one. This one I got for maybe 300 to 400. It have a nice polyester finish to it, and also it do have outer compartments as well as inner compartments. Overall, it is well made. I will make sure that there is a link in the description below for this option. Generally in the outer compartment, I would place all the essentials which I use the most. So the very first one I would carry, it's the lip balm. It's from Boutique and it is a bioberry lip balm. It's one of my favorite one. And in the outer compartment, I do also have the sunscreen. This sunscreen is from Neutrogena. So this is an SPF 50 sunscreen. It's very nice. I showed in one of my videos as well. And I would often carry 2 lip balms. The other one is from Neutrogena. Of course, I need contact lenses. Not that I would use, but in general, if my specs get damaged, even though I would carry an extra one, but I generally carry these contact lenses. These are the 24 hours contact lenses, which makes it very easy because no need to even carry the liquid as well. You can use it and you can just throw at the end of the day. And the other would be a pocket comb. And the last one I would carry is this pocket perfume from Hermes. This one smells very, very nice. Now let's go into the inner compartment. This is where all the hair care products and everything resides, because whenever there is a use only we are going to open this, not just like lip balm you will open 100 times in a day. But anyway, we are not going to carry that. I generally use crossbody bags to carry whatever my small belongings, but while packing I use a toiletry bag. And the very first thing, I use this particular shampoo. So even though wherever the hotel we go, they provide the shampoo and everything, I generally tend to carry my own one. This is from L'Oreal Professional Absolute Repair shampoo. I will make sure that there is a link down below. And of course, you need a toothbrush and toothpaste. Even though they give wherever the hotel you go, it's better to just carry them. I generally tend to carry them. And then when it comes to skincare, as I already showed you the sunscreen, the other one which I would carry is this Body Shop Vitamin E Moisturizer. I must have shown multiple number of times in my videos. This is one of my favorite, and this particular one is for all skin types, and it's a 48 hours one. And when it comes to moisturizing, that's the one I carry. When it comes to body moisturizing, I generally tend to carry the body butter. The next one, of course, anyone would need, would be a face wash. This is from Forest Essentials. It is a delicate facial cleanser. It is one of my favorite. This have a composition of lemon and rose water and honey. Even though it's pricey, it smells great and it is very mild on your skin. And also, just like the face wash, there is a Forest Essentials product. This is a Silk Cunnings shower wash as well. I would carry this one as well. These are the ones which I carry. And then when it comes to grooming, of course you need to carry a trimmer. Trimmer is a must have. You must have seen multiple number of times on my channel. The Philips trimmer which I use, it's one of my favorite trimmer. It is like super long lasting. I have this from years. Even one day if it stops working, I will definitely buy the same trimmer. That's how much I love the trimmer. The other one which I need to pack, I'm waiting for that to arrive from Amazon, which would be the dry shampoo. I have a dry shampoo, the bigger version, but I just wanted the pocket sized version. You never know when you would need a head bath, and having a dry shampoo, particularly during a trip where I'm gonna go for 8 days, is a must, at least for me. And I hope you guys like this video. And if you guys want to watch a video on how I pack my clothes and what I am taking to Dubai, in specific how I am packing my suitcase, do let me know in the comment section below. I will definitely try to make one. I'm not promising to you guys, but I will try to make one. Having said that, see you in my next one.